Have you ever wondered how to get into a trade with complete confidence and conviction? I just got long GM, and I'm going to show you how I got in and why I was so confident that this trade was going to work. GM had gapped up during a pre-market on the earnings, but what was really pushing the stock up was that in their guidance, they had said that they didn't think tariffs were going to affect them as much as originally anticipated. And the market was loving this, and they had gapped up significantly through the pre-market. Now, I didn't just get blindly in when the market opened and take them long. Instead, I waited. And you'll see GM actually sold off right at the open, probably some profit taking. But what I did is I waited for one of my setups to appear. And in this case, I took a 5-minute opening range breakout. So I was looking for the stock to break the range of the first 5 minutes. But what I also noticed was that there was another one of my plays that had set up. Now that is the lightning bolt pattern. GM had sold off, come back up above the VWAP, recasted VWAP, then it continued upwards. So this is actually another play. Now when I looked at the 5-minute chart, I also saw that the first 5 minutes was a hammer doji, which was also signaling a lot of strength to the upside. So I had two of my plays and a strong technical indicator telling me that this stock was going to go up. So when I saw this, I immediately entered long. It was very easy for me. As soon as I have, two of my plays in one setup and, some good technical indicators, I will get in without hesitation. And in this one, I took a heavy sides because it really gave that appearance that it was going to go up. And so when you had those lots and lots of indicators telling you this, it makes it very easy. So that's why it's important to always use your plays, not just get in whenever. Look for those setups. And if you have multiple setups converging, then you can have extra confidence that your trade is going to be successful. If you'd like to learn more about trading and see more of my video recaps, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Happy trading!